Catch up, homie. Morning, day 3, freezing outside, and we are walking to the airport. Because apparently the shuttle service from the rental car drop doesn't start until 8 a.m., which does you no good when it's 5:40 and 5:57, and boarding starts at like 6:20 or 6:30 or something. So we're hustling. We're not far. We're getting there. I feel like maybe they should have gave us a heads up when we got the rental car and we told them we had an early flight, that they could have told us this. But live and learn. We'll catch up with you somewhere. Oh, it's got the flashing lights. It means they're LEDs. We made it.
We made it.
It seemed like a very short flight.
I watched a terrible movie.
I watched a terrible movie. I listened to music and slept. I actually got a little bit of sleep. It was awesome. So we are going to try and find a bathroom before I pee my pants. And then off to find a rental car, and then an adventure. And it was beautiful flying into here. Very beautiful. As we know, first time to Europe, first time flying over. I'm guessing that was Germany that we came over the top of. It was stunning. So long walk. Well, we got a rental car. Yeah, we've got an Opel. I don't know. But we walked past the Q4, which they don't sell them in the States, and as soon as I saw it, I'm like, ooh, I kind of want that. But it turns out we had booked our rental car for a 10:30 pickup. It is 10 to 2, and actually they cancel your contract if you're not on time. But very luckily they didn't give our car away. Nobody had taken it yet, so we were able to still get it. But they said multiple times, people who don't understand here, if you're late and they cancel a contract, you don't have a car. And they've had a lot of angry people who didn't get a car and were kind of stuck. So we got very lucky to start off that we have one. So yeah, we're gonna try and find our way out. This airport is massive compared to Iceland, that's for certain. Go find where we're going. She can't get in because they're buried in next to her. Maybe I'll leave her here. Nah, she got it. All right, so far we've learned one thing about driving in Switzerland. There's a lot of tunnels, like a whole lot of tunnels. I think it's already like our 4th tunnel. This tunnel with like an open V10 or an open flat 6 would be kind of ludicrous. It sound amazing. Probably even better be like an SVJ ripping through here. So somebody come on, do a flyby so I can hear it. We just got done checking in. What a cool hotel. It used to be a distillery like many moons ago, and they converted it into a little hotel. It's got like a 2-story library in it. I'll have to take you guys through that area in a minute because they were getting us up to the room, but check this little place out. We got the stairs, take you upstairs to the bedroom, and a little sink and bar area there, storage. You got a bathroom, shower, toilet room in there, hood rat there. You know, TVs everywhere, and you know, you got one there. There's actually one up there as well, but we never watch TV when we're on vacation.
Why would you?
Our view, though, not the greatest. You know, we're not going to spend much time in the room, so I guess that really doesn't matter. I'm gonna check. We'll jump up real quick and check the upstairs of this little place out. And I like this hand railing, metal handrail, like a super modern square edge. And yes, I know, build custom homes, so I'm always looking at how things are built and like what kind of little details there are. And one thing I can already say is like the construction methods in Iceland blew out of the water what we're doing back in the States. Like we're so far behind, it's not even funny. And then this is the upstairs loft area, bedroom, big soaking tub, big long vanity area, towel warmer there, and then just looks down over hood rat central down there. We got a window here with this power shade on it. I haven't figured out how to open that yet, but yeah, so it's a quick tour of our room here in Zurich. We'll spend 2 days here, or 2 nights here, so I guess technically 3 days, and then head on the road to St. Moritz will be the next stop. But I will, when we venture out of the room here in a little bit, give you guys a quick video of the lobby area and where the distillery was. But pretty cool, definitely a cool place. Super nice people too. Oh yeah, one of the best things, complimentary wine. They tell you drink the whole bottle every day because they come and they give you another bottle in the morning. Yep, and everything. The mini fridge is included, like everything. It's kind of nice, so sweet. Told you guys it was a cool place. What do you guys think? the B2 Boutique Hotel.
I hear
So-
peanut butter every time.
She hears peanut butter every time.
Every time.
For B2 because I've got that PB2, I think it's called. It's like a peanut butter powder that you put out with your protein shakes. Man, I'm gonna have to get the camera out soon to take pictures. And there's that quintessential, like you've heard in the movies a million times, the sirens on the cop cars. It sounds just like it does in the movie. Yeah, I feel like I'm in Born Identity right now. But like super old church in the background there looks freaking amazing. So I think we're just gonna go take a walk and stumble around and see what we can find. All right, so far car spotting here has been pretty good. Bentley there.
Yep.
On our way in, we saw Hurricane Spider,
Yep.
saw Ferrari SF90, and a 488 GTB. Not a bad car sighting spot so far. And I'm like discounting all of the regular like Audi, Mercedes and stuff, like RS6 Avant just rolled by. But I'm gonna kind of classify that as normal here. Definitely cool. Definitely cool down here. The old architecture, just sweet. I feel like we should be on the bus instead of walking. Well, we found a lake. Well, I actually think it's a river, but it's like kind of a lake here. I think the river heads out down that way. But it's kind of like reminiscent of the beaches at home. It's like you have this huge grass area. Everybody playing volleyball and miscellaneous, out catching rays. It's just in grass instead of on sand. Everybody here is in a lot better shape than back home.
It's so
a lot
true.
better. A whole lot better.
As we look at an ice cream stand.
Yeah, as we're looking at an ice cream stand going, Oreo cookie ice cream sandwich. Sounds good. She's thinking about it. We found a new friend, Swan. Poor Swan looks like he's got a bum leg. It's flipped all the way up on his back. I was wondering why he's kind of swimming in circles there. He's only got one flipper working. There's a ton of birds across this whole lake area. I think tomorrow we're going to need to figure out train setup they've got going on here. There's a million of them, and it would beat the heck out of hoofing it through here and figure out a way to do it with trains
Or a ferry.
or a ferry. There's a bunch of ferries that take off out of there and head off that way somewhere. So yeah, we'll try and find a way to use public transportation tomorrow, that's for sure. All right, case in point, another Ferrari. I think it's 812 Superfast maybe. I don't know what Ferrari's that, but I think it's 812. It's dirty too, like filthy. Then we saw, a little bit ago, we saw a GT3 Touring, so a wingless car. Pretty fantastic car spot down here. Just awesome. And it's funny, you get like one block off this one little square area, and it is like quiet, but definitely a new building going up here. And this super cool, like all wavy glass building here. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. Definitely different. And it's funny, kind of the same thing as Iceland. You'll have a brand new like modern building next to a building that's who knows how old, but looks historic as could be. Crazy. Man, walking up this, it's gotta be like a 12 degree grade. Old Stone Drive. We're just wandering. Man, it's steep. She said it should count as double steps
Double step.
when you're going up something like this. I tend to have to agree with her. It's rough. I think our goal of 10,000 steps a day is getting absolutely crushed.
Yes.
I would say we're probably closer to like 20. See, there we go. Another 911. I'm telling you, that's probably like the fourth 911 now. And we've probably seen, no joke, 10 Taycans. And we've seen a couple Aston Martins. And it's just, if I was taking videos of every one of them, this thing would never be off. We're just kind of wandering the city and enjoying the architecture. This street's not as fun. This looks all stucco and blah. The last couple blocks were awesome. You could tell they were old buildings. You'll see there's nobody in here. It's like one of the top 10 reviewed places in Zurich. Decided we wanted steaks, we came here. Ghost town. There's one table outside and us, that's it. So hopefully it'll be a good dinner. And it's about to pour out, so we're gonna have a wet walk back to dinner, back to the room. We made it back. Success. It only drizzled on the way back. So she failed at dinner last night, and I failed at dinner tonight. That was probably the worst steak I've ever had in my life.
It was edible.
Edible-ish.
I wouldn't go back for seconds.
No, edible-ish. So we had a light day driving today. We only drove about 70 kilometers, so I think like 42 or 43 miles, just to the airport in Iceland and then from the airport today. But we probably put on, I don't know, 6 or 8 miles of walking since we've been here. So it's about 9 o'clock. I think we're going to turn in early tonight, set no alarms.
Amazing.
And then wing it for tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. So we're going to play it by ear with the rain tomorrow and see what we could find to do. We're losing track. I think this is the end of day 3. Tomorrow should be day 4. It's been nonstop. We'll see you guys on day 4.